Hi, welcome back to Bride Society. I'm Laura and this is Rebecca.
Today we're talking bride-to-be must-haves, but in the most non-essential kind of way. So none of these things, like, you don't need any of them. We're just going to hold our hands up and say that now. But if you want to really be all in on the bride vibes and really embrace the whole bride-to-be experience, this is the video for you, because we are showing you all the kind of apparel, accessories, bits and bobs that you might want to get your hands up during the planning process of your wedding. So there is a Pinterest board to accompany this video, so you can easily find all the things we're talking about and more, and there'll be a lot of the product links in the description box below if you want to find anything specific that we put up on screen.
So I'm going to start subtle.
Sure, do it.
Pin badges.
Yeah.
Little bride pin badge, wear on your lapel, wear on your coat.
Your bag.
Just to give everyone, without screaming and shouting about it, that you're the bride.
Yeah, just a little heads up.
Yeah.
Just like, yeah. Or make a big statement. Put it on the back of your coat. So whether that be that you get like a leather jacket, a denim jacket, like a blue or white denim jacket, all these kind of things, you can get them that say bride-to-be or Mrs. whatever it is going to be. So again, you can wear that out and about, down at the wedding fairs, down at the beach, and of course after the wedding too, particularly if you've had like your new like married name written on and honeymoon, that kind of thing too. And I also think these can be really cool in some engagement shoot photos, but also wedding day photos to sort of contrast if you're having kind of a more traditional wedding gown, sort of white wedding gown, the sort of edgy vibe of having the kind of leather jacket, denim jacket with that, I think have some cool photo potentials too.
Definitely. Now, if you're going to wedding fairs, you'll be collecting lots of bits and pieces. You need a bag to put it in.
You do.
Why not have a personalised bag?
Mm-hmm.
Bride-to-be bag,
Mm-hmm.
big tote bag. All your freebies or your leaflets can all go in there safely, and there's no mistaking who the bride is.
There you go. Yeah. And then great for, again, honeymoon too, like a beach bag, that kind of thing. Or you could also get like personalised, like more like pouch bags, like clutch bags if you want it to be maybe more for an occasion, so like your hen party, something like that, or you can get matching ones for you and your bridesmaids as well.
You can get bride pens, personalised wedding planners. So when you're doing all your wedding planning, you can sit down with a personalised planner with either your name on, your new name on, or just bride-to-be or bride, and your matching pen, and jot everything down that inspires you.
Yeah. So I'm going to paint a little picture for you here. You sat down at home, you're there with your personalised wedding planner, your personalised pen, maybe with like a little diamond thing on top, something like that. But you want, you're at home, you want to be cozy, maybe sat on your bed, maybe in some personalised bride-to-be pyjamas or sweatpants, that kind of thing. Again, with bride-to-be or your actual married name, something like that. Again, could be used the morning of the wedding as well for photograph opportunities. But yeah, ultimate cozy at home. You've got the slippers, personalise the slippers. You've got the cozy socks, personalise the socks. Like, there's a whole, like, just, I've got a whole image set up in my brain of you, like, planning your weddings, all cozy at home. Yeah.
I mean, who wouldn't want to be doing that?
Yes.
Really?
With a mug of tea.
Or hot drink of your choice. In a very Instagrammable, very photo-friendly mug, either personalised with your future Mrs. somebody, or with a hand with an engagement ring, like, does this mug make me look engaged? Something like that you can drink out of, and everyone knows you're engaged.
Everyone's got to know. Like, yeah, this, if you're into this video, this is like, you want to shout from the rooftops, I am getting married, and you're going to know about it. But fair enough, you waited for this, so yeah. And then adding into that, you could be there in like a personalised robe as well. So really just like filling in that picture that I created for you before. Again, bride, married name, again, something you could get other ones for your bridesmaids on the morning for the getting ready photos, because there are getting ready photos and you might not want to be there in your regular pyjamas or just your pyjamas. So having a nice little robe, an elegant robe to kind of go with that, I think it's nice.
If you want to venture out the house, maybe your hen party is somewhere abroad, sunny destination, you want to go to the beach, for your honeymoon afterwards maybe, if you're going to a beach destination, you need something to wear. Maybe a white swimsuit.
Mm-hmm.
Could be personalised, might not be personalised, but white is the kind
Yes.
of bridal colour. Beach cover-ups.
Yes.
Flip-flops.
Flip-flops.
With either like your married name to be, bride to be. You're sensing a theme here.
Yes, indeed. Or again, if you're, well, not necessarily leave the house, but you could leave the house. So I mentioned sweatpants before, but of course it doesn't stop there. There are a whole myriad of like t-shirts, again personalised in this way, and sweaters, hoodies, all that kind of thing. You get like matching ones for you and your partner, or like some like coordinating ones as well. I think that would be extra cute. And again, you could build that into sort of an engagement shoot thing too, if you were coupling up on that.
Or if you want to take it to the next level, we're talking jewellery, maybe a bit of gold, a bit of silver. We're getting the budgets maybe going a bit up, possibly, maybe not.
Yeah, we're not really talking high-end jewellery. Yeah, this is more costume jewellery.
Costume jewellery, yes, like bride, Mrs. earrings, Mrs. hair slides.
I do.
Yeah.
On the earrings.
Bows for your hair with pearls in. Super glam. Perfect for like hen do's or just going out.
Yeah, wearing it out and about. Again, if you're maybe having your hen party abroad, sort of a sun hat, like with the big brims maybe, that have, again, personalisation on it. We have done this video on our channel as well if you want to DIY it, but again, lots of companies out there that will happily do it for you, or just write on the piece of ribbon or get like stuck onto it. Lots of different options. Good photo opportunities there, and of course work as well if you're going on a sort of a beachy or hot honeymoon destination as well.
And practical. Protecting the skin.
Yes.
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 Keeping the sun off. And if you're going on a long-ish flight, or just want to be able to sleep on your flight, personalised eye mask. We may have this up on our channel already, or if not, it's coming soon. So keep an eye out for that.
So there are lots of things out there, and places like Etsy, not on the high street, are filled with like small companies that make these things for you. And I say all the images that I say are coming up on our screen can pretty much all be personalised, customised by the companies, and they are on our Pinterest board, and as we said before, they are in the description box below if you want to be able to check those out directly. But if you have like a favourite sort of bride-to-be supplier company, like let us know who they are in the comments below, because other bridesmaids might like to check them out if you have recommendations. We hope you liked that video, had a bit of fun. We'd love to see what things you maybe get, so do like maybe tag us on your pictures over on Instagram. But if you like the video, please give it a like, hit subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and we will be here again next Friday.